So if you've ever seen The Mandalorian from Disney Plus, then you're probably familiar with the child or Baby Yoda. I use the names interchangeably sometimes, but I am a huge Star Wars fan. I have always been since I was a little child. You can have it come in a cup condo, which is this little Build-A-Bear box, which is classic, but it is smaller than like the type of box you would get in person. And when I saw Baby Yoda, the child, whatever, just super cute. I feel like personally, I don't think that any of the in real life merch has been able to quite capture how cute he is on the show, but that's CGI, so that's to be expected. We're gonna open him up. He's from Build-A-Bear, like I said before, and I picked it up immediately the second I got the email. I was there, I was ready, and it ended up selling out, but he's always gonna come back. I used to work at Build-A-Bear, and no matter how popular an item is, it always comes back eventually. So here he is. Just gonna pull him out. His face is kind of stuffed in the cloth there, so I'm just gonna unravel him, and there he is with his big ears. Oh, his face, there we go. So personally, I feel like the face or the mouth is a little bit more protruding than I originally expected according to the images, but he's still absolutely adorable. He does come with 2 sounds on either paw, so one of them is the Mandalorian theme song and the other one is the cute baby noises. The tag right there which says the child, and then his little feet, his little face. So we'll do the sounds now. That's the Mandalorian theme song. The other paw has the 6 baby sounds, which sounds just like a normal baby. Classic. Yeah, so that's, oh, so it's 6 of them. So I think okay, I think that's it. So yeah, they put these sounds on the paws itself. If you get it in person, sometimes you can have them place it in the foot, which sound like human baby noises to me, but that's fine, doesn't matter. He's super cute. That's it, he didn't come with any scents or anything. Sometimes when it comes to licensed products, Build-A-Bear has strict guidelines they have to follow in terms of what you can place inside, like the scents and the audio. Sometimes you're not allowed to, or you're not allowed to leave the store with the product unstuffed if it's from like a Pokemon line, a Star Wars line, etc, etc. So I'm not sure what their guidelines are going to be for Baby Yoda once he reaches stores, since all Build-A-Bear stores are currently closed as far as I know because of like what's been happening lately in the world. So got him online, super cute. I think there's a wait list now. If you want to pick him up, don't worry, you will get a chance to. So I also want to look at the birth certificate because I'm not sure if I just wasn't given enough time, or if I was just rushing through and I didn't put in information, or if they're just doing a default blank birth certificate. Here's what it looks like, just like a basic Build-A-Bear workshop certificate, except the date of birth and the full name and who it belongs to is left blank. So that might have been just because I was rushing, which I know I definitely was because I didn't want this to sell out, or it could just be that they just don't have the time to print it on right now and they just rather people just write it personally and give it that personal touch. I'm not really sure. And then this is the little paper that came with it. See, so I feel like he looks a little cuter in the picture than he does in real life. Is that weird? Like the mouth, maybe because we're not seeing it from a side view, but super cute, super adorable. Let me know if you're a fan of the show. Are you a fan of Star Wars? Do you think Baby Yoda is just really cute? Do you call him Baby Yoda, or do you call him the child? Because I'm always switching it up. I feel like Baby Yoda is such a cute name, even if he's not Baby Yoda. I just think he's adorable. Look at those big eyes. It makes me want another season of the show like right now. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will be back very soon with some more videos. I have a whole week off of work, so I'm excited, even though like things aren't going that well with filming, but it's a rant for another day. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. I was gonna click the baby sounds. Click the theme song too. Anyway, see ya. Bye.